Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, guys. So, today we will be talking about AWS CloudWatch. So, we will go through the questions which was asked in AWS certification for AWS CloudWatch. A system administrator needs to monitor the CPU utilization of their EC2 instance and receive an email notification if it exceeds 80%. Which service should be used to achieve this? CloudTrail, CloudWatch, Config, and Trusted Advisors. So yes, it is B CloudWatch. It monitors metrics and allow you to set alarms that triggers when thresholds are breached. And CloudTrail is for API logging. Config is for resource inventory. Trusted Advisor is for cost and performance optimization. Which CloudWatch feature allows you to aggregate and store log data from your application and infrastructure for troubleshooting? CloudWatch metrics, CloudWatch logs, dashboard or events to aggregate and store log data for your applications and infrastructure. I think it will be logs, but I might be wrong. Yeah, it is log only. Enables you to centralize and store logs from your organization and systems, make it easy to search and analyze. You want to create a single centralized view of the health of your various AWS resources, EC2, RDS, S3 on a single screen. What should you create? CloudWatch alarm, CloudWatch dashboard, metric filter, or agent? Want to create a single centralized view of the health of your various AWS resources. It should be dashboard, but I might be wrong. Yes, it is a dashboard only where you can see customizable homepage allows you to monitor all your resource in a single. A developer is troubleshooting an application error and needs to search for specific error codes with their application log files stored in CloudWatch. Which feature is most useful? CloudWatch metric filters, CloudWatch log events, CloudWatch events, or CloudWatch alarms? Right. A developer is troubleshooting an application error and needs to search for specific error. It should be metric, maybe A or B. Logs Insight, maybe B. I might be wrong. Yes, Logs Insight provides a powerful query-based language to search and analyze log efficiently. Which of the following best describes the role of CloudWatch Alarm? They automatically fix security vulnerability. They track changes made to AWS infrastructure. They perform an action based on the value of a metric exceeding a threshold. They archive old log data to S3. I think it will be they automatically fix. No, I think it should be B. I might be wrong. It's C. Alarms may watch a single metric over a specified time period and perform one or more action based on the value relative to a threshold. Alarms watch a single metric over a specified time period and perform one or more action based on the value relative to a threshold. Okay. Your manager asked for a report on all API calls made to your AWS account last month for security auditing. Which service should you use? Your manager asked to report all API calls made to your AWS account last month. Okay. I think it should be CloudWatch. CloudTrail might be the right answer because yeah, CloudTrail is specially designed for auditing. It records every API call made in your account. CloudWatch monitors perform metrics, not API logs, not API audit logs. You want to trigger a Lambda function automatically whenever an EC2 instance states changes from running to stopped. Which feature should you use? Trigger a Lambda function, okay? So it might be Event Bridge, right? Event Bridge B. Yes, Event Bridge B detects changes in your AWS resource, can trigger automated actions like running a Lambda function. An application running on an EC2 instance is generating custom data that you want to monitor in CloudWatch. What must you install on the instance to send this custom data? CloudWatch Logs agent, CloudWatch Unified agent, Cloud AWS CLI or AWS SDK. An application running on is generating custom data that you want to monitor on CloudWatch. You must install on the instance to send this custom data. So I think it should be not SDK, not CLI, CloudWatch agent. I think A. Yes, CloudWatch Unified agent B actually. Okay, Unified agent. Unified agent is used to collect system level metrics and custom logs metric from an EC2 instance to send to CloudWatch. Which of the following is a cost effective way to store log data that is rarely accessed but must be kept for 7 years for compliance? CloudWatch log standard class, CloudWatch frequent. Which of the following is a cost effective way to store log data that is rarely accessed? Which of the following is a cost effective way? Is a cost effective way to store log data that is rarely accessed. Must be 7 years of compliance. Okay, now mm, I think A or D. Let's see. It is C, right? Oh, it is second.